This review compiles insights from numerous users across the internet to provide a comprehensive evaluation of the QUNREDA pink remote control car, a stunt car designed primarily for girls aged 6 to 12. The product has garnered a strong reputation, reflected in its high customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from nearly 2,000 reviews. It is positioned as a versatile and entertaining toy that combines durability, ease of use, and exciting stunt capabilities. The car stands out with its upgraded rechargeable battery modules, which are a significant improvement over many competing products. It includes 2 detachable battery modules, one installed in the car and the other as a spare, allowing for continuous playtime of up to 50 minutes when swapped. The batteries are housed in a premium ABS shell integrated into the car body, making them both safe and portable for children to handle during recharging. This feature is particularly appreciated by parents and users who value uninterrupted play sessions without frequent downtime for charging. The remote control interface is notably simple, featuring only 2 buttons, yet enabling 9 distinct stunt maneuvers. Basic forward and backward driving is intuitive, while the car's ability to spin clockwise and anti-clockwise adds a dynamic element to play. Most impressively, the car can perform 360-degree double-sided rotations during movement, a stunt that delights children and adds to the toy's appeal. Additionally, the car can execute one-sided tumbling flips both forwards and backwards, enhancing the variety of tricks it can perform. This range of stunts makes the car engaging for children, encouraging skill development and imaginative play. The QUNREDA RC car operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, which supports long-distance control up to 50 meters and ensures anti-interference capabilities. This allows multiple children to play together without signal conflicts, facilitating competitive stunt car races and social interaction. The ability to maintain control at a distance while keeping the car in sight is a practical feature that adds to the convenience and safety of outdoor play. From a design perspective, the car features 2 red LED headlights that resemble eyes, helping players orient the car's direction during use. The body is constructed from premium ABS plastic with a double-color design, contributing to its robust build quality. The tires are made from a softer yet durable ABS plastic that provides shock absorption, strong grip, and anti-skid properties. This makes the car suitable for various surfaces, including indoor floors, sandy beaches, wetlands, and grasslands. Users have reported that the car performs well on grass and other uneven terrains, which expands its usability beyond typical indoor environments. The package includes the RC car, remote control, 2 rechargeable battery modules, 2 AA batteries for the remote, a charging cable, a screwdriver, and a user manual. This comprehensive kit ensures that buyers have everything needed to start playing immediately. The product also comes with a 12-month warranty, and the manufacturer offers responsive customer service, which adds reassurance for buyers. User feedback highlights several strengths of the QUNREDA RC car. Many parents and gift givers note that children from ages 4 to 12 find the car easy to operate and highly entertaining. The car's speed, agility, and stunt capabilities are frequently praised, with particular enthusiasm for the 360-degree spins and flips. The inclusion of a spare battery is appreciated as it allows for extended playtime without interruption. Users also commend the car's durability, reporting that it withstands rough play and maintains performance over time. The toy's ability to return to an upright position after flipping is another feature that enhances the play experience and reduces frustration. However, some users have reported issues with the rechargeable batteries. A minority experienced one of the 2 batteries malfunctioning, where it only powered one side of the car or caused the car to shut off when both joysticks were engaged. This issue required resetting the car and was not universal, but noteworthy. Another concern raised is that the rechargeable battery modules can be difficult to remove from the car body. Because the car moves quickly and performs stunts that involve spinning and rotating, the battery can sometimes come loose, which can interrupt play. Some reviewers suggest that the power supply design could be improved to secure the battery more firmly while maintaining ease of removal for charging. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall consensus is that the QUNREDA pink remote control car offers excellent value for its price. It is considered a significant upgrade over cheaper RC toys, delivering a fun, fast, and durable experience that appeals to both boys and girls. The car's versatility and stunt performance, ease of control, and robust build make it a standout choice for parents looking for a quality RC toy for children in the recommended age range. The product's popularity and positive reviews reflect its success in meeting the expectations of users who want a reliable and entertaining remote control car. In conclusion, the QUNREDA Pink RC Stunt Car is a well-designed, feature-rich toy that provides hours of fun and skill building for children. Its upgraded rechargeable batteries, simple yet effective control system, and ability to perform a variety of stunts set it apart from many other RC cars in its class. While there are some minor issues with battery removal and occasional battery faults, these do not overshadow the car's many strengths. This RC car is highly recommended for children aged 6 to 12, and it makes an excellent gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Prospective buyers are encouraged to use the product link in the description to support the channel, and to leave their own reviews in the comments to help other users make informed decisions.